Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove a fridge shelf easily. This will be a simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Once again, the title and topic for this video is that I will be showing you and telling you the following. I will be showing you and telling you specifically how to remove a fridge shelf easily, and this will be a very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have my basement fridge. I've removed everything from the fridge, and I'm going to show you how to remove a shelf just like this. It's actually really simple and straightforward, so let's get into this, okay? So essentially, you have a shelf here, and the shelf is held in place essentially by two different mounting points. The first is going to be this rail on the side, and that keeps it sort of level all the way out. And the second is going to be this notch back here. This notch back here is what holds it in place, okay? So essentially what we want to do, there's nothing really at the front on the inside that holds it in place. And this is going to be for this specific fridge, but most refrigerators are going to be very, very similar. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your hand, you're going to go under the shelf that you want to remove, and you want to go to that notch that I showed you. So I'm right here in the middle, okay? And essentially I'm going to lift up on that notch in the middle, okay, underneath the shelf. So I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to lift upwards on that notch right here, okay, like in the notch area. I'm going to lift upwards just like this. So you got to sometimes give it a little bit of a pull, okay, there you go. When it comes up like that, what I can do now is I can slide it out, okay, and you're going to have to slide it out along the rail, okay, open your fridge door all the way, and then there you go. You've now removed your fridge shelf. It's literally that simple. And if you ever you want to adjust them, or if you ever have to put extra tall stuff in there, it's literally that easy. That is how to remove a fridge shelf easily. A simplistic tutorial. That's simple. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.